Hi guys, welcome back to myankaranation YouTube channel training. In this video I will show you how I made a jeans bag from my old jeans, from these jeans. Okay, for the purpose of this training, these are the materials I will be using: my old jeans, my scissors, my soft gum stain, cardboard paper, my pin, my material, glue gum, and my lining. We'll start doing our jeans bag by placing this interface, the adhesive side, on the wrong side of our jean material, like this. After which we'll go and iron. After ironing, look at what we have. So I will do my measurements. Now this place is, from here to here is 21 cm, and from here to here is 15 cm. We just added 1 cm for the stitching. So I'll use my pen and trace this our pattern. So after tracing it, this is what we have here. So we'll cut off this excess part. This is what we'll have. So we'll measure out 1 cm from this edge, like this. This is, so from here to here, this edge to this line is 1 cm. The same thing with this one, from here to here is 1 cm. Then you come to this place, you have to measure from this particular side, this 1 cm here, this line, 1 cm line. We'll measure another 2 cm and draw the line from this edge to this edge. So on this 2 cm line, remember from here to here is 2 cm, so we'll have to cut this place open because we will put our zip from there. So I will cut it now. You fold it like this. Okay. After cutting this way, from here now, we'll still cut like this. Like this. Let me do it. So after cutting it open like this, like this, like this, I will fold it this way and iron. Fold this side this way also and iron. So I am done ironing. The next thing you will do is to take your zip, put it this way and go and stitch. I changed the zip to a bigger zip. Now from here we'll get this material. I'm using Ankara fabric too. So we'll come here, place this here and stitch like this. Let me use pin and hold it. Then under it, you bring this here and also hold it with pin. So after pinning it like this, you bring it this way, then go to your sewing machine, sew it this way, sew like this, then sew like this and like this. Also fold this way and sew. I'm done sewing it. Look at what we have. See, this is what we have. The next thing I will do is to use these pockets and form a pocket on my jeans bag this way. So I will go and sew it like this. I've attached this pocket to the bag. Look at what I have here. To form the other side of my bag, that's the back of it, like this. So this is, I'll bring out my jean material, then iron my interface, the adhesive part on the back, the wrong side of my jean material again, like I did the other time. After pressing it down, this is what I have here. So I'll use my pattern again, trace it out the same way I did on the other side. I've already drawn the pattern of this. I've traced out this pattern on this jeans and I've cut it out already. So I will fold here now, then pin it so that it will be easy for us to sew. So after pinning it together, you bring your zip, put this one, bring the other side of the bag, put it like this. Then you go to your sewing machine, pull this way, pull this way, and sew it here and here. So I've already inserted the zip, I've sewn it together like this. So now the next thing I will do is this. I'll get this piece of jeans, then so now we want to form the handle. Look at what we will do. So we'll put it this way. And this one the same way here. And like this, then we'll go and sew this way. After sewing this place round, now I will have to trim this place a little. This one. Then I want to form the base of the back. So I will sew here, I'll go and stitch here, and also stitch here also. So after sewing here and here, I will now cut off this place like this. Do something on this side. So this is what we have. So we'll be putting our lining now. So let me do the measurements. I'll be using our pattern to also do the measurements. Let me pin this pin and pin it so that I can cut. Okay, I'm done measuring it, so I'll start cutting. So after cutting, remember I left 1 cm here, 1 cm here when I was cutting it. So I will remove this. Okay, so I will go and sew this place, fold it like this, that 1 cm, sew it here. The same thing with this place, 1 cm, sew it here, then put it together like this and sew this way and this way. I'm done stitching this place, and even here, so I'll cut off here and this one. Then I will turn it. I will insert it in the bag. Then I'll use my glue gun and start going. So we'll gum it like this all through the bag. After gumming the lining, this is what I have. This is inside. Well, the next thing I will do is to sew the handle. So this is what I will do now. I'll fold here like this, then fold it this way. Or to then go and run my stitch here. So I'm done stitching the handle. So this is what I have. Now I bring the bag, put it this way. I'm going to sew it here and do the same thing to this side also. So after sewing this, the hand together, this is what we'll have at the end of the day. We use our old jeans to form this. So we'll now have the bag.